Come test drive this 2018 Kia Forte. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 45,000 miles. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, remote keyless entry, and power windows. Kia ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.